Wrapped Litecoin is here. WLTC is a token built on the Ethereum blockchain by COINUT and pegged to Litecoin in the proportion of 1:1, bringing additional liquidity and value to both LTC and to ETH ecosystem. Why do we need wrapped Litecoin? There are a few reasons. WLTC opens up the world of decentralized finance. This means you can use it to interact with Ethereum-based decentralized applications and take advantage of their features. It supports various smart contracts and decentralized applications dApps, enabling a wide range of innovations beyond the current ecosystem. For example, with WLTC, you can earn interest or yield through various DeFi protocols or even as collateral for borrowing other cryptocurrencies. How exactly does wrapped Litecoin work? When you want to convert your Litecoin into WLTC, you simply send it to a WLTC custodian, who will then mint the equivalent amount of WLTC tokens via the ERC20 token standard on the Ethereum blockchain. When you're ready to convert back to Litecoin, you simply send your WLTC back to the custodian, who will then burn the tokens and send you the equivalent amount of Litecoin. This gives users the ability to use your Litecoin on Ethereum or another blockchain, giving holders access to a wider DeFi ecosystem. Best of all, it's available now. You can sign up and get WLTC at www.coinut.com.